This strategy encourages designers to be systems thinkers, to see the larger system that operates around a garment or brand, and to understand that a consumer's needs do not just have to be met by a product. Designers can begin to think about designing services to replace product ownership, such as rental or hire services, or they might design services to support existing garments or accessories. Systems and service design uses participatory and user-central methods to understand the consumer's needs. Designers are using these methods to understand what people need from services and how these needs could be met. We can still have fashion, we don't have to own it. For example, leasing a product for a specific time and then returning it back to the company, such as a car sharing scheme, means less car ownership and less use of materials and resources in production. In a fashion context, this includes companies who offer the latest fashion handbag for lease or an outfit for a special occasion. Collaborative consumption is a growing trend that sees people sharing and trading skills, time, or consumer goods. These activities are being enabled by new digital platforms and the design of services that support the sharing economy. An example is an app that allows people to photograph and upload unworn clothes in their wardrobes for resale. Systems to support existing products might offer repair and mending, updating and customization resources to help consumers keep products in use for longer. Designers might offer help with styling and fitting and other services that improve the selection process and the efficiency of use for the consumer. So let's imagine that we have enough stuff already in circulation. The challenge for the designer is to make what we have go further, last longer, and be more useful and satisfying. Get to work.